Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check your Steam login activity history. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Steam and select the Help tab up at the top. And you want to select where it says Steam Support. Now you want to scroll down on this page and select where it says My Account. And then you want to scroll down again and select where it says data related to your Steam account. And now that we're on this page, you want to go down a little bit and select recent login history. Just go ahead and left click on that. And you might have to select try again. And then you can see all the most recent login history saved in here. So it goes back pretty far, I would say. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.